Namaskar. Sugar craving aren't always about taste. Often they are about your body's ways asking for emotional comfort, energy or hydration. Sometimes if brain needs dopamine, which is a feel-good chemical, and sometimes it is just a routine some people have fallen in. But you don't need willpower to fight it every day. You need the right support, and that support can come from something as simple as 1 cup of a herbal drink. There are two options I'm going to share with you today. You can choose either based on your preference or even alternative. The first one is beautiful calming drink made with saffron, rose and warm milk. You can use 1 cup low fat dairy or almond milk. Almond milk if you prefer plant-based. Just warm the milk gently, add 2 to 3 strands of saffron and a few dried rose petals or a drop of edible rose water and let it infuse for 5 minutes. Stir and sip slowly. Now, why does this work? Saffron helps regulate serotonin, the chemical responsible for mood balance. When your mood is stable, you don't feel that emotional pull towards sweet. Rose, on the other hand, is calming and slightly sweeter fragrance. It satisfies senses gently without sugar. And warm milk contains casein, a protein that slows down how fast the stomach empties. That means you stay full longer and are less likely to snack. This is a beautiful evening drink, especially when you crave sweet after dinner. A second option is more suited for those who experiences energy crashes or blood spike during the day. It's simple herbal water made with fenugreek seeds and cinnamon. Take 1 teaspoon of methi seeds and half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder or a small stick and add it to the cup. Pour 1 cup of hot water over it, cover and let it steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Strain it and sip it warm. If you like, you can add few drops of lemon for taste. Fenugreek is rich in soluble fiber, which slows down the digestion of carbs and helps reduce blood sugar spikes. It also improves how your body uses insulin and naturally reduces appetite. Cinnamon, on the other hand, has been studied for its effect on lowering fasting blood sugar and improving insulin efficiency. Plus, it gives a natural mild sweetener, which helps trick the tongue into satisfaction. And warm water, believe it or not, often solves half the problem. Many people mistake thirst for hunger or sugar craving. So when should you have this 1 cup? That's just as important as what's in it. You must drink it before the craving becomes strong. Try it mid-morning and mid-afternoon when the body dips in energy. It also works beautifully after meals, especially if you like to eat sweet after your meal. And on emotionally heavy day, when you feel stressed or anxious or low, just sit down and sip it slowly instead of reaching for sweets. Cravings don't come from your body, they live in the mind. And to calm the mind, we need to practice yoga. Simple practice like Bhramari Pranayama can reduce restlessness and help you make conscious choices. Asanas like Ardhamatsyendrasana, Pavanmuktasana improve digestion and metabolism. Eating slowly, chewing properly, and staying disconnected from screen while eating, all this brings mindfulness, which automatically reduces craving. And don't ignore sleep. When you don't sleep well, hormones like ghrelin goes up and craving follows the next day. This is why I say that yoga is not just exercise, it's a system for living well. So, if you have sugar craving, make one of these cups part of your daily routine. Let it become a soothing ritual. It's not about cutting sugar overnight. It's about gently retaining your body and mind without needing fake energy. Because once the body is balanced and mind is calm, cravings lose their power. So tomorrow morning, choose that 1 cup, sip it with an intention. Over time, your body will no longer cry out for sugar. It will begin to rest in satisfaction and stability. Take care. Namaskar.